Introducing Silvan by Peerless Gel, a new non-toxic floor cleaner that's safe for children, pets, and the environment. There are no nasty chemicals, and we use naturally derived scents. The formulations are neutral and safe on all floor surfaces, but tough enough to break down grease, grime, food spills, pet urine, pet stains, and even bacteria. Best of all, there are no streaks or stickiness, which means it's rinse-free. We have a range that will suit every floor type, including timber-oiled floor cleaner for nourishing oiled and waxed floors without drying the surface, the timber floor cleaner for any timber floors, including seal timber, cork, and bamboo, and the all-purpose floor cleaner for all floor surfaces like tile, laminate, hybrid, stone, vinyl, and concrete. The easy measuring cup gives you the correct dilution, and when used with the Silvan microfiber mop, you'll have a quick dry floor. Making up the solution is easy. Just add 750 ml of tap water to the mop bottle, then use the handy measuring cup inside the cap. Fill and pour into the water bottle. Put the cap on the bottle, give it a quick shake, and slot back into the mop. Clean your floor as needed by spraying while you glide the microfiber mop. Ensure the mop is damp before you start. Do not overwet your floor. All products are biodegradable and septic safe, and both bottle and cap are recyclable. Being a concentrate means much less plastic is used and less emissions in transport. Silvan Concentrate makes 18 refills. Look for Silvan in your flooring specialty store and experience safe, sustainable, and affordable floor cleaning.